Welcome. Today we will learn about a specific type of geometric transformation called reflection over the x-axis. We will discover the simple rule that maps a point x, y to x, negative y, effectively creating a vertical flip. First, what exactly is a reflection? In geometry, a reflection is a transformation that flips a figure over a line. This line is known as the line of reflection. The result is a mirror image where every point on the original figure is the same distance from the line as its corresponding point on the image. To understand reflections mathematically, we use the coordinate plane. Remember that the coordinate plane has two main axes. The horizontal line is the x-axis, and the vertical line is the y-axis. For today's lesson, our focus is entirely on the horizontal x-axis. When we reflect over the x-axis, imagine that the x-axis is a physical mirror. Or, imagine folding a piece of paper along this horizontal line. Any point above the line flips to the bottom, and any point below the line flips to the top. There is a very simple rule to perform this calculation without drawing. The rule states that a point defined by x, y transforms into x, negative. Why this means the x-coordinate stays exactly the same, but the sign of the y-coordinate changes to its opposite. Let's look at an example. Here we have point A at +4, +3. To reflect it over the x-axis, we keep the 4 the same, but we change the +3 to a -3. Our new point, a prime, is located at 4, -3. Let's try another one starting in a different quadrant. Here is point B at -5, +2. Following our rule, the x-coordinate -5 remains unchanged. The y-coordinate, +2, becomes -2, so B' is at -5, -2. So what exactly changes? Visually, we can see that the horizontal position, or x, is locked in place. The vertical position, or y, is inverted. If you were up, you go down. If you were down, you go up. This rule applies to entire shapes as well. To reflect this triangle, we simply take the coordinates of each vertex and apply the rule to them individually. The resulting shape is a perfect mirror image of the original, flipped upside down across the x-axis. Reflections have some important properties. First, distance is preserved. The shape does not get bigger or smaller. Second, the figures are congruent. However, the orientation changes. The reflected image is inverted compared to the original. To summarize, when reflecting any point or shape over the x-axis, simply remember the formula. X, y becomes x, negative y, keep your x value, and flip the sign of your y value.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.